Good evening, everyone. Today we gather here for group discussion. The today's topic is that online education versus offline education. My in my opinion, the online education is best for so many peoples because online we access all the material or any other facilities like and we freely study on YouTube's like without buying any courses and so many things are easier for us to online education, and I prefer that online education is good education.
Mostly students choose offline education because we can concentrate or study and they're in the home and no excuses, no anything. So that
Okay, I completely agree with him because of online education. We all have uh, extra flexibility and convenient the part of our life because of more PDF, whatever study material we have got online places, and then we cannot go for higher city. We can purchase the classes. We can purchase the classes in our phone in our home. That why I'll support online education. Anyone?
I agree with you, but I think offline classes are also better because we get a face-to-face interaction, and if we uh, if we have a doubt, so we can ask teacher directly without any hesitation.
According to my opinion, offline class is better than online classes because in day-to-day life, we observe that mostly students are lose their confidence, concentration, and suppose in online classes, teaching face-to-face teaching is better because of if you have any doubt about any question or any topic, you ask frequently to the sir.
So nowadays, online and offline education are means many peoples and means many students are prepare online and offline both, and many students do offline education after doing online education. Then both are best now. If any student get stuck on any topic of education, they can search on YouTube and chat GPT and got an answer. So it is best for today's era. And many students from village side do not afford the fees of tuition classes, so they can join online classes and attend classes. It is a very best for which do not afford fees of classes.
I am totally agree with her. In my according to me, uh, online education is easily available on means or apps also. Like example means uh, and according to me, offline education is better than online education because in offline education we have to face to face teachers, and we have to any other queries or questions, then we will ask face to face sirs, and this is my.
Yes, I am completely agree with him because many students can afford the offline classes and they do not have the time. They don't get the time from their colleges. Some people, some students are doing their jobs also. They don't get time for go to offline education, and that's why they purchase online courses and study for their education. They can also they are they that's
Okay. See, guys, we all know about UPSC exam, and the best UPSC coaching is in Delhi. But anyone or every student cannot go there and learning their courses. But in that era, multiple online classes we can achieve or we can purchase the in the century, because of the science will be a very higher stage in our India or in our space. That's why some people cannot go there and learning the UPSC aspirant or UPSC classes. That's why the my opinion is, first of all, online education or offline education, the both are must, because of some people don't have time. Some students have time, but they cannot financially independent. That's why they cannot go in higher city, and they cannot purchase some courses or purchase some classes. That's why, in my opinion, both are education are must. But according to our life, or according to our situation, that we can preferable online education or offline education. That's it.
Yeah, I agree with you. Like online classes, like from YouTube, we can learn too many things from. In Corona, we all learn from online classes, and that is the one source that we can learn from that time. And from online, we can learn different things and accumulate some better skill for future.
I agree with you, but I said you said that online classes is better, but in online classes, issues of network and other barriers. In some time, that a student lost their time, so offline class is far better than online class. My opinion.
I just say, like, we can watch. Sorry to interrupt, but we can watch again and again in this topic, and we will conclude, or we will sorry we will conclude, or we will find out in our answer that why there is no issue. But I just say, like, both are important, but sometimes some peoples or some student cannot afford it, like in Amravati, we just think about a UPSC or a MPSC teacher in our Amravati, but there are a larger fees. We cannot affordable. I am not afford the fees. And then we will going our online, or we will going our social media. We will check the same syllabus. We got found few money. Then I'll just say that's the better option for me. That's the better option for any student. That's why.
Agree with she, because online classes is also better. YouTube have, yeah, easily available YouTube videos, online classes. That's why student have grow knowledge, many types things for
Yes, if we consider the both education is important, online versus offline, but some students mainly focus to online because as she said, the time is also important. The money is main issue of our in our country. Uh, that is important. Both students are it depends on the students that they can afford the higher fees for the offline educations, or it may be some students cannot afford, then they choose online education, or some students cannot pay that much pay also, so they use YouTube channels like online resources like AI, chat gpt like sources. They can study from they study from it. That is.
So there are many students now suffering from fees, and many institute have 1 lakh fees and 2 lakh fees of year and months also. So online education is very best for him who do not afford the fees. And also there is online technology are advanced now, because we ask question to teachers, and also we type in, and also type our queries, and also we get WhatsApp support, and also AI teachers is also available on apps. So technology is advanced in online educations, online apps. So I also see many result from online platforms, and means on academies and various platforms have great results. So as per my opinion, online education is best.
I think offline classes are also good, because if we don't understand, then we have a sir, we can talk with them. And other thing is, when we go to offline class, we make friend there and we can interact with them, and we can have a conversation about more about syllabus, what we learn, what we discuss today, or we can get a clear idea what we learn.
Yes, I agree with her because online classes is student create a lazy, and offline classes is better than students. He will daily every day go class, and then talking with another's, and then
However, if we consider this, the serious students, they don't lazy. They do for their careers. They do they do for their ambitions, goals. They can't compromise for that. The students, I think it is not be crazy if we consider the students. That's it.
Yes, I am completely agree with Praveen, because I also completed maths in 12th only online, because I can afford it. I can't afford tuition fees. Then I also view on online, means YouTube.
So many colleges, and in many college there are various professors and various teaching staffs. Then in that college, student do not understand the English language, because many professors use English language. So there are many students are learning from YouTube and online applications. That's why it is acts as a important part of our life, because whenever we do not have any online platform, then we should join any offline classes, and particular classes of this course is not available now, because there are various courses in university exams. So online YouTube content is available now, because there are various means computer related courses, and various courses which is available, which is in syllabus of university exam. So as per my opinion, online education is very best for this generation, because village side there is many students do not get best classes, as per city side. So they joining with many classes are now available on YouTube and various apps. So online and offline both are best as per my opinion.
You said that online classes is best nowadays. Online class improved, but according to my opinion, online class is better for that person which is not affordable offline classes, and no, there are no time management, no time for offline classes. Basically, this person should online classes, but according to my opinion, I said that the student which is affordable offline classes, he he prefer offline classes.
I think online classes are also better because if we want a notes and we can't understand from one notes, we have a different notes to understand it better, and we can understand the concept if we don't learn from one channel.
Okay. Guys, I will share you a real story in our India. Last 12 or 29, 10 or 5 days ago, NEET exam result is declared. You all know about that. Uh, a student, a girl, she's 16 or 17 years old. She cracked the exam. She got a GNM. She got a government MBBS college. Seriously, she cannot purchasing offline exam or online exam. She get personal or self study, and I think she tried to uh, she try to her best, or she try some use some online platform. I think her score is 720 out of 711. Like, she got a best score. And my opinion is, it's our decision to purchase online exam or offline exam. It's our decision to efforts or online exam or offline exam. There is some myth, we can afford online exam, then we will try our best, then we can got offline exam. We have a direct conversation in our teacher. There is some myth. The main thing is totally our decision, we will do or not. I don't think there is. You just think about, you will purchase offline exam, a higher package, like higher fees. Then you will go daily to daily college, or you will go daily class, but you cannot preparing the class or the college properly, or you cannot trying to your best. Then I don't think you have to purchase, and I don't think you have to capable of this class or capable of this course. Is totally decide our opinion or our decision, we will try our best or not. That's it.
Yes, I completely agree with her. Some sentence I don't understand, but she is more focus is that online education is better, and that's my opinion is also that is the online education is better. In offline education, some issues are there. On one of the that the teachers cannot assist all those students if you consider in a college, in a 1 hour, in 60 or 70 students are sitting there. They are not possible to clear all guys dots, and the teaching all the syllabus. They don't cover enough syllabus also. That is also important. And offline education is more crucial time and both. So online education is better. That is my opinion.
I agree with her. Um, Online classes same problems include her network problem, then today's class, today's holiday, and then many problems are there also.
There are means many institute conducts offline paper, but it is not possible to conduct offline paper in online classes. So it is drawback of online classes, means because paper practice is very important as compared to listening and writing notes. So uh, paper practice are taken in only offline classes. So online classes means there is quiz type, means MCQ types test, and but it is not sufficient for student to crack uh, big exams like UPSC and SSC, and also police bharti exams. So going to offline centers and study and do practice, it is very important as per my opinion, because early there is no online classes, because we are going to means there was people student was going to offline classes and and do her study in offline classes. So as per my opinion, offline classes are best for exam point of view.